Where's the doggy? Say, come here, doggy. Where's the doggy? There's the doggy. Pum Pum. Hi, Aubrey. Go get her. Aubrey, get the doggy.
Give hugs.
I'm going to go check my wash.
Okay. Aubrey. Uh-oh. Where'd she go? She's teasing you, huh, Aubrey?
My water smoke over here.
I don't know. I really don't. Probably not. Where's the doggy? Say, come here, doggy. Tell Pum Pum, come here. Go get Pum Pum. Oh, heck with it. Pum Pum wants to sniff you, Aubrey, but you keep trying to touch her and then you scare her.
She's not used to little kids.
You're sitting on your fox. You can't figure out what's under your butt, can you? Where's your baby, Aubrey? Get your dolly. Elaine told me that was her doll. I didn't recognize it at first. Aubrey. Aubrey.